boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with Bank, who are offering an incredible 50% cashback on deposit, which as you can see is absolutely insane. There's another bonus for trading as well, so make sure to get involved in the description below. Make sure to take advantage along with all of our other exchange partnerships. Alright then, just taking a quick look at Verasity on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, getting a decent amount of volume over the past week or so. Off of these lows again, you can see we've clearly come down, sweat this low, and then got a decent reversal, decent pickup off these lows, with a good amount of people coming in and stepping in after coming down again to that 1/10 of a cent level, and basically getting a really good rejection of it, to be fair. Obviously, as always, I have to mention the crazy manipulation that we saw a few months ago on KuCoin. You can see I've actually had to draw in the rest of the wick because this chart isn't actually showing the full scale of the liquidation that we saw on KuCoin. It actually came all the way down to around here. So really, we've obviously trickled to the downside, got a bit of a pickup, swept everyone out possible, continuing to manipulate and try and sweep out everyone's stop losses again. But then we have got a decent pickup off that low, as you would expect. After taking all the liquidity down here, there's really no desire for the price to go down there anymore until we build up more orders in that area. So at the very least, we're getting a bit of a relief bounce from that area. You can see really good candle on Sunday, ripping through a few good levels of resistance here. A little bit of a retrace yesterday in line with the rest of the market, and now picking up again here. And as I said, I would expect Verasity is much more likely to be going to the upside than the downside from this area. In my opinion, we go at least up to this 0.003 area above the 0.23 Fibonacci at the very least for this trend line that's been formed here to be tapped. We've also got this overall trend line which must have tons and tons of stop losses above it that we could come up and sweep into as well, up towards that 0.5 cent level, which coincides with the 0.38 Fibonacci now pretty nicely. I think these are pretty good targets for Verasity going into the rest of the year, to be honest. Like I said, unless we see an absolutely cataclysmic altcoin season, where basically every single crypto pumps like hundreds and hundreds of percent day after day, which seems quite unlikely at the moment considering how the market's been moving this cycle so far, then we'll probably see a really good move for Verasity through these levels. And to be honest, back towards the all-time high if we can get a clean move above this resistance and into open air here. But obviously right now, lots of work to do. But showing signs that people are still interested in buying this down at these doldrum levels below the bear market range low. You can see pretty much going in a range for a while. We came down, we swept below the bear market range low. I'm thinking, okay, we're probably going to parabolic move back above, looking like a really good grab of liquidity and reversal back up. But as you can see, that huge manipulation really stifled all the progress that we saw. Since then, we've kind of been in no man's land. But I think this volume coming in over the past week or so showcases that we could still have some work to do for Verasity to the upside. And right now, I'm just waiting to see if we can get up into this area up here pretty soon. Thanks a lot for watching again, guys, for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for Bank to get your 50% cashback bonus and get involved with all of our other partnerships offering bonuses as well. Thanks for watching.